We have a segment of the podcast called Down to Business. And I thought this would be a cool opportunity for you to be able to share, if you don't mind, like sharing some numbers of some of these new clients that you've gotten and what that's meant for your, again, 1,000 square foot, laundromat that's outside of Toronto.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I mean, so like I said, when we took over the business, I was just looking back through previous invoices. And the first month that we took over, of course, we had lost that big customer. We didn't see a dime from that big customer. So we had a few small customers that were priced like it was 1997. Like it was way too low. We were losing money on labor. We were losing money. Like we may as well have just shut down the wash and fold operation and just ran it self-serve only. So I was looking through the invoices, and so August 1st of last year, for the month of July, which is our first month taking over, we billed our corporate customers $1,400. Over the last 9 months, we've been working at growing our corporate side, as well as the residential side, of course, and the self-serve. But, just talking about corporate right now, we billed out $6,300. So we basically went from $17,000 a year to $75,000 a year in corporate business in the last 9 months. And there was a whole quarter there, Q4 of last year. As a team, we decided that, I would continue working on some of the social media. I stopped cold calling. I stopped going out. Basically, I stopped the sales activity for about a quarter because we wanted to focus on getting our systems and process. We were putting in Laundroworks, implementing Clean Cloud and stuff like that. The amount of time that I have each week, I need to focus on making sure that those processes are solid. And then it was again in Q1 of this year that I started, sales activity again.